Hello, I'm Pascal Stutz, CEO of Legrand UK and Ireland. This week, we will be highlighting a range of EV charging products and related power distribution solutions. Electrical vehicles will continue to be the way forward for environmentally friendly travel. As a global specialist in electrical and digital building infrastructure, we are perfectly placed to offer electrical vehicle charging solutions to meet our customers' expectations. You will hear from our expert sales and support team. You will learn about our specialist brands, as well as information of our new CPD and white paper dedicated to EV chargers. Enjoy!
Hi, my name's Matt Crunden. I'm Training and BIM Manager for Legrand UK and Ireland, and I'd like to introduce to you our new CPD all around EV charging. As we know, the market for EV charging continues to grow. Here at Legrand, we can help you to understand some of the issues. We'll look at different types of EV charging, we'll look at different modes and connections, we'll look at siting and electrical considerations as well, and we'll also discuss charge point operation. We can come to you and deliver the CPD in your premises, or you can visit us at one of our 2 training centres. We can also deliver the CPD virtually using a medium like Microsoft Teams. So, to have a look at the CPD and to book, please visit the website and you can access it and book it from there. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wayne Brewerton from Legrand UK and Ireland. I am Business Development Manager for Electrical Vehicle Charging Systems and Solutions. The Legrand Group recently acquired 2 businesses, Ensto, based in Finland, and EcoTap, based in the Netherlands, and we now have pleasure in being able to offer the full commercial EV charging solution. We are able to offer a full charging solution from 22 kilowatt AC destination charging right through to rapid charging systems from 30 kilowatt DC through the range up to 180 kilowatt DC. We also have a full range of complementary products to include the L-Steel partnership for LV switchgear, which can include the Legrand devices, air circuit breakers, molded Kerr circuit breakers, etc. And for power supply, the Zucchini cast resin transformers, and distribution, the Zucchini busbar systems, an ideal application for multi-storey car parks. If you'd like to know any more about our EV charging solutions, please contact your local representative or visit the Legrand UK website.
So we hope you have enjoyed hearing about our EV charging solution and the support we have to offer. If you would like to find out more, our website has many resources with a white paper, a brochure dedicated to EV charging, and details of how to get in touch with our team.